Stuck verifying your identity on Gmail? Let's get you back into your account with these quick fixes. First, ensure you're using the correct email address and password. A simple typo can prevent verification. Try typing it out carefully, or if you're unsure of your password, click Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. Next, check your preferred verification method. If you're expecting a code via text message, ensure your phone number is up to date in your Google account. Security settings. If you chose email verification, check your other or spam folders in your secondary email account. A stable internet connection is crucial for the verification process. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or vice versa if possible. Restart your router to refresh your connection. Sometimes, Google needs a little time to process verification requests. If you've recently made significant changes to your account or tried too many times, you might need to wait 24 to 48 hours before attempting verification again. If the issue persists, navigate to your Google account security settings directly. Look for the ways we can verify it. Use section and update or verify your recovery phone number and email address. This ensures Google has your most current contact information. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity and regain access to your Gmail account. Keep your account secure and your communication flowing.